Just like fashionistas demanding to know, who are you wearing? Foodies are asking, what are you serving? Some tips for a successful restaurant week. Consider offering both lunch and dinner options, where applicable. 2 to 4 selections per course. Wine, beer, and cocktail pairings at an additional cost, of course. A shared menu option that includes an appetizer and dessert, plus 2 entrees or an exclusive dish. Use provided marketing materials, including check presenters, participating restaurant window signage, and finally, add our logo to your website and ads. E-blast your database, educate staff, promote your restaurant's participation, and promote it often. Create a social media buzz. Need help developing your menu? Call or email us 562-856-9292 or info@dineoutlongbeach.com.